So this is a supported internship programme that we're running in partnership with Asda and Project Search. We provide opportunities for young people to experience a variety of roles within the retail sector. We have opportunities in all areas of the store. They complete the mandatory training with Asda, and then they have the opportunity then to either apply for roles here or with any other type of work or other business that they're interested in working at. So we give them the confidence, the independence and the skills to be able to access paid employment. This course is really rewarding. It offers an incredible opportunity for the young people. The feedback we've had from everyone on the courses and parents and guardians have been lovely. The difference that they see in their young people and the confidence and the independence that they have is great. We had 4 people who were recruited by Asda last year, which is fantastic because they've got permanent paid contracts and they can now make decisions about their future. So if you are a young person who has a learning disability and autism that needs a little extra help getting into paid employment, then this could be a good opportunity for you to gain some skills and experience in the workplace with the support of myself and our team to help you access paid work. So to find out more information about programmes, you can go onto the Grŵp Llanrich website.